Is this a camera for, walking a dog? I don't think so. Is it a camera that you put gloves on and go filming with? I don't think so. Hey, I'm Fish. I'm talking about the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Oh yeah, I got issues with every single DJI product, every single GoPro product, every single Yeet technology product, every single product that I own. Here I am again, and I gotta adjust down my gimbal, and I already adjusted down on my last shot. Oh, it would not be fun if you had to adjust. Adjust, and adjust. I didn't adjust, and the camera's looking at me. Way to go, Pocket 3. I hope you got your Pocket 3. I'm going to be very happy with it, because soon after, they're going to be out with the Pocket 4. And then what will we do again? Go get another? I got vlogs all set up, and I gotta go edit, and I gotta go use the program and figure out if I really love it. It does the job just quite fine, but it's got its beefs and issues like every other. Wondershare Filmora 14, when I drag my mouse across and the whole bottom just goes up with extra tracks on the timeline, and when I scroll my mouse around, it just skips right through the whole thing. Is it a Windows PC and Wondershare thing, or is it just a program that's out on the market that needs a lot of attention? I should go back to magix, but magix every 5 seconds at the end of the video just has an issue. And I can't mosaic certain things out, this and that. It takes a little extra time. There are things I love on programs and things I hate on programs, and that is life. Time to put you away for another warm day. And on that note, I'm Fish, and I catch up many other videos to come. What's those sparkles in the water? Those little ripples? People just afraid to use their Pocket 3s in the rain. Freezing rain, that is. I got an internal battery. It came right outside. Is it going to work? Is it going to run? Do I have to run the camera? Keep it warm? You tell me. I am Fish. I am happy I got my Pocket 3. But I don't like certain things on it. And I will tell you like it is. I don't love this cradle. If I really wanted to be on the camera, rock solid, glue it on so it don't move. Loose nuts and bolts. Man, you gotta make sure everything's tight. And when you got clips like this, they're not pressured in. Now I got my camera held at 10 o'clock position in front of me with face detection on. Doing a good job trying to detect my face. Can it detect the dog's face? It sure can. It's detecting Saute's face. Don't you just love when doggies push up in the air like so? I'm definitely on 10-bit color. I'm gonna double check because it's a great day. I don't know if it's 10-bit color because it just says color. Unless I go into HD log M, then it's 10-bit. Oh, I can't remember a lot of things, and I'm not going to get a Pocket 4 so I could get 10-bit color. I got so many gimbals. I got the Feiyu FYG3, the FYG4. I got the Hohem. No, I don't got Hohem. Hohem did get with me, but they never got me a gimbal. I got an Inky Falcon Plus and an Inky Falcon, but I did return a Hohem. As much as I use a gimbal, that's how much I use my Pocket 3. I don't love turning on and off and constantly setting the gimbal 5D joystick to match my face. But you get the best shots in the world. Yes, you do. With the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Every time I put you in the pocket, I feel the head moving. It is off the magnet. Guess it doesn't lock properly. I hear people, oh, the camera knocks. It does this. Well, it's a camera doing its job. Films. Who cares what it sounds like when it starts up and shuts down? It's not a silent movie camera. If I'm complaining, I'm not. I'm just telling you like it is. And if I'm not happy with the camera, maybe I should get rid of you. Get something else. You want to get sold. That's what happens. You watch people's videos and you see how positive they are, how great their videos are. You gotta get one for yourself. Well, that's all I gotta say on this vlog. It's just a rainy, foul day. Time to walk the pooches and get on going and sit down with a cup of joe and edit.